क्या हाल चाल है भाई लोग। आई नो हाल चाल बहुत बढ़िया नहीं है इस टाइम। आवर कंट्री इज़ गोइंग थ्रू अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टाइम। इट इज़ गोइंग थ्रू अ क्राइसिस। कोविड-19 केसेस आर ऑन द राइज एंड बेड शॉर्ट हो रहे हैं, मेडिसिन नहीं मिल रही, ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं हॉस्पिटल्स में। बहुत डिफिकल्ट टाइम है एंड दिस इज़ द टाइम व्हेन वी ऑल नीड टू डू आवर बेस्ट to help people. This is the time when you need to go out of your comfort zone and show your real character यार. This is the time when बोलना तो बहुत आसान है, हाँ हम हेल्प करते हैं ये है, मगर अभी ही टाइम है जब आप अपने सारे रिसोर्सेज जो भी हैं, अपना टाइम, अपनी नॉलेज, एफर्ट, मनी सब लगा के किसी एक बंदे की भी हेल्प कर सकते हो तो डेफिनेटली डू दैट. Whether it is in terms of all these things, whether it is financial, whether it is giving them the right knowledge to fight against these situations, and also getting prepared for the situation. So here I am trying to do my part, trying to play my part, and through which I want to help you guys build योर इम्यूनिटी. बिकॉज कोविड होना या ना होना अब हमारे ज़्यादा कंट्रोल में तो रहा नहीं है, मगर उस चीज़ से बेटर तरीके से फाइट करना हमारे कंट्रोल में डेफिनेटली है. एंड आई वॉन्ट टू हेल्प यू गाइज देयर. आई वॉन्ट टू प्ले माई पार्ट. सो वट आई हैव कम अप इज़ अ न्यू चैलेंज. येस, द चैलेंज इज़ share your food plates. So what we are doing in our community, in our private Facebook group which is called the SMF Club, हम लोग उधर I invite all of you to be a part of it, because what we are doing there is we are sharing our food plates, and I personally and a lot of people in the community who have the right nutrition knowledge are trying to help you guys to improve your food plate. तो जो भी आप खाते हो, breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever you are eating, it is fine. It doesn't matter if you are on the right nutrition or you are not. If you don't know about what is right for you or what is wrong for you, that is what we are trying to teach you there. तो जो भी आप खाते हो, you just click a picture of that, you post it there, and what we are doing is helping you improve that. अगर आप कुछ खाते हो, हमें लगता है वो ज़्यादा सही नहीं है, तो we'll give you the alternatives जो आप चीज़ें include कर सकते हो in your diet, which are going to build up your immunity, which are going to be more nutritious for you, so that overall with time if you switch the wrong food options with the right food options, उससे होगा क्या, आपकी इम्यूनिटी डेवलप होगी, आप लोग ज़्यादा हेल्दी बनोगे. सो दिस इज all this challenge is basically focusing on your health. It is not about weight loss, weight gain. ये सब चीज़ें they are not priority right now. The priority is your health. So with time, if you make those corrections, if you replace the bad food with the good food in your diet, with time you are going to build up your health, you are going to build up your immunity, and in the worst case, if you and your family go through a COVID-19 situation, so you will be able to help, you will be able to better fight it. Okay, and that is the main agenda यहाँ पे. उसके अलावा we will also be talking about supplements there. इस टाइम पे आपको कौन से supplements लेने चाहिए, the supplements and things that will actually help you build your immunity, so that again you can fight through this situation. It's a very tough situation यार. जब तक होता नहीं है तब तक पता नहीं चलता. Right now I am myself going through that. I'm myself going through COVID-19, and I'm very worried about my family, and that is how I realized कि कितना ज़रूरी है लोगों को ये चीज़ समझना कि it can happen to anyone. Okay, but if you are prepared for it already, like I know I will get out of it, है ना, as compared to a person who doesn't have good immunity, the situation is very tough, है ना. So let's work on this thing, and let us share our food plates with each other so that we can help each other to make better food choices and build our immunity, build our health to fight against this virus together. Okay, so all the details will be there in the description. You can go ahead, the link will be there in my IG bio as well. Instagram की bio में आपको link मिल जाएगा. Even in the description I'll try to put the link. You can go ahead, join the club and start sharing your food plate so that we can help you to make better food choices and improve your health. That's it from my side. I'm trying to play my part. I hope all of you play yours. Take care, love you all, and we are in this together, so don't worry, we'll get out of this. Okay? But we need to take the right action, and that is what I'm here for, to help you guys. Chalo, bye bye, take care, love you all.